In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view console logs in Vercel. If you're trying to debug an issue in your app, check server activity, or simply confirm that your code is behaving the way you expect, the logs section in Vercel is one of the most useful places to look. It gives you visibility into what's happening behind the scenes, especially when your project is deployed and running in production or preview environments. To get started, log into your account on the Vercel dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your projects and workspace. This is the central area where Vercel lets you manage deployments, domains, settings, and of course, logs. Make sure you're in the correct team or workspace if you have access to more than one, since projects can be separated across different environments. Next, click on the specific project you want to debug. This is important because logs are tied to each individual project, so you'll want to open the one related to the application or deployment you're investigating. After selecting the project, you'll be taken into its project overview. From here, you can access all of the project level tools and details that Vercel provides. Once you're inside the project, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Logs. This is where Vercel collects runtime information and console output associated with your application. If your app is using console logging and functions, server-side logic, or other supported runtime areas, those messages will typically appear here. This makes it much easier to trace errors, inspect behavior, and understand what happened during a request or execution. When reviewing logs, it helps to pay attention to timestamps and the order of events so you can match the log output to the issue you're investigating. If you recently triggered an action in your app, refreshing or revisiting the log section can help you catch the latest output. This is especially useful when you're testing fixes and want quick feedback without leaving the Vercel dashboard. That's all it takes to view console logs in Vercel. Once you know where to find them, debugging becomes much more straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.